Do you want an amazing logo for your business ideas or new project without having using Photoshop? Well, you are in the right place, my friend. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to make a logo that you can be proud to use for free even you don't have design skills. For my students too, please stay tuned. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sir W speaking. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hit that like button and smash that notification bell for you to be notified of my latest videos about educational, inspiring, and product reviews. So let us start. When you have your business ideas and you need a logo, the name of the game is to make your logo look professional, quickly and easily done. You have two options. One, get someone to design it for you with your graphic designer. And number two, do it yourself. I am going to walk you through how to create a free logo using Canva in your smartphones. So this time, let's jump in on our mobile phone. Okay, first, go to Apple Store if you are using your iOS devices. And go to Play Store if you are using your Android phones. And this time I'm using Apple iOS device. The Apple Store, I type in Canva, and then you will see the icon of Canva, which is letter C with a color of blue and purple. Okay, once Canva has installed, you can click open or click the icon on your devices. Okay, once you click the icon of Canva, it will open the app and you can log in using your Canva account. But if you don't have yet, you may use your Facebook, your Google, or your Apple account when signing up. And at this time, I will be using my Google account. So I have been here. And I use my personal account. Well, just type in your password. It's a little bit slow internet. There you have it, typing in my password. Oh no, I forgot. Let me try it again. Okay, type. Okay, I think it is working. Yes, it is working. By the way, I have already made my Canva account, the one that I use here. And this is the interface of the Canva. On the upper part, you will see those various things that you can do on Canva, such as making your Facebook post, thumbnail, YouTube channel art, Facebook posts, newsletters, programs, Instagram stories. You can make it in Canva, a very creative one. And this time we'll be focusing on creating a logo. You are seeing now the various templates that is installed in this Canva app. These are the templates or the presets that you can use. You can edit it. And at this time, I will be focusing on using this one, Striker. Striker, where is that? Okay, that is Striker. You can click it, double click it, and it will open while we are waiting. Okay, you may edit the text, and also you may use other logos or animal that you may use. At this time, I will be typing my name, the views. I will be using the views. live gaming. Okay, double tap, then put it on the top, on the center. Is that on the center? The next, type in live gaming. Live gaming. Okay, in Canva you can also create videos or slideshows. Find me yan. Okay, you can resize depending on what you want, but this time I decided it to be as is, what is in the preset. You can also add shapes, colors, add images. You can use the image that you want on your phone or the images installed in the Canva app. By the way, this is a online application. You cannot use this without internet. Now this time I will be choosing a square, make it a rectangle to box the word W, then put it on the background using that 3 dot, then the arrow down. You may use that to make it at the back, and then I will change the color of my name, making it color navy blue to make it more visible. Navy blue, there you have it. Ayan. You may add text. Just click this add icon. There are lots of preset text that you may use. Very good text in making Instagram stories, making codes that you may post on your Facebook. Then I will just type "rack the internet" as the tagline of W's live gaming. Rack the internet. Make it more fun. Okay. Even if you don't have enough skill in designing, you can create your very professionally look, quickly and easily done logo. Oh, it's too small. Place it on the back, below, or at the center. There. It's good here. There you have it, my final logo. Then you can download it, install on your photos on your smartphone, or you can directly upload it on your Facebook account. We are prepared to download. Okay, just click X, then you may upload it directly to your Facebook, to Twitter, to Pinterest, and the other platforms. And that ends our tutorial on how to use Canva on a mobile phone, on your smartphone, whether you are using Apple devices or you are using your Android devices. I hope this helps. Again, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that like button and smash that notification bell for you to be updated on my latest videos about educational, inspirational, and product reviews. Thank you very much. See you again in my next video.